Hey friends, who's hungry? Sink your teeth into these oven-baked barbecue chicken thighs just like Grandma used to make. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1½ cups of tomato juice, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup of ketchup, half a teaspoon of yellow mustard, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Reserve half a cup of the marinade sauce for basting. Then add the chicken to the remaining sauce and be sure to coat each piece. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Arrange the chicken in a single layer on a baking rack. Bake the chicken for 1 hour, basting every 15 minutes until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 155 degrees. Allow the chicken to rest for 15 minutes before serving. Hit that subscribe button for more Southern cooking.